There are so many types of physical traits such as your eyes, nose, mouth and face that make you unique. It's often said that the first thing people notice about you is your eyes, but every physical trait defines the type of person you are. Here are 8 types of nose shapes and what it says about your personality. The concave nose. The nose of Marilyn Monroe, most often considered an ideal nose, a definitive small arc on the nose bone. It looks petite and sharp with the tip pointing slightly outwards. People with this nose are on the sensitive side of life. They feel emotions deeply and feel hurt quite easily, but they never reveal it. They are the kind of people who would bear a burden with a smile and yet be the first to help if asked. Altruism is the hallmark of people with this nose. Some celebrities with a concave nose include actress Marilyn Monroe and Katy Perry. 2. The hook nose. Easily recognizable as it's associated with a bird's beak. This type of nose is bent downwards from the base of the nose bone to the tip. People with this type of nose are known to be opinionated, thoughtful, and deep. They defend their views passionately and are unafraid of taking risks. But the quality that truly sets them apart is their self-sacrificing nature. Some celebrities with the hook nose type include the singer and songwriter John Lennon. 3. The straight nose. Wide nostrils with a round tip. This nose is straight and flatter than the rest. The ancient Greek considered it the perfect nose, especially from the aesthetic point of view. People with this nose type are known to be in control of their emotions, but sometimes they find it hard to express how they feel. The only time they lose their temper is when they feel the safety of their loved ones being under threat, and in that case, they are known to personify the wrath of hell. Sean Penn represents this category very well. 4. Roman nose. This is the nose which has a bridge that effortlessly pulls your attention towards itself. Probably the reason behind the name of the nose type? That people who have this nose are notably very headstrong and ambitious in nature. They are able to influence others with their words and know how to make an impact. Their organizational skills are definitely worth a mention. Lincoln is a member of the Roman Nose Club. 5. The Nubian nose. While the bridge of the nose is straight, the lower end of the nose points downwards. Take former US President Barack Obama as an example. This type of nose draws your eyes towards the lips. People with this type of nose are known to be quite curious and expressive. They incline towards cautious optimism and are extremely interested in learning new things and having new experiences. Their humility is what sets them apart from the rest, and the way they communicate their thoughts is nothing short of impressive. 6. The flat nose. Very popular among people of African or Asian origins. It is flat, short, and dainty, and often rounded head. It is one of the most common types of noses, and there is nothing common about the people with this nose. Determined, strong-willed, and spontaneous, they're usually involved in a lot of various activities. They are efficient and use their time with the utmost planning and care. Their decisions are usually based on their gut feeling, but they grow to trust which earth to pursue and which to leave. This type of nose looks much better with a smile. 7. The short nose. Don't mess too much with that friend of yours who has a typically small nose just because she's cheerful and affable. That's their nature. But sometimes they can lose their temper. And boy, do they get really mad then? Yeah, and they're quite anal about their privacy, but they're candid and sincere. Emma Stone is a typical example for this category. 8. The crooked nose. The crooked nose expression may not be very nice, but contrary to what the name suggests, people with a crooked nose are known to be one of the most simple and straightforward of all. These types of noses may even appear broken, but they provide an individual with a character and may even become a famous quality about them. They are great friends and partners, and they usually think carefully and cautiously before forming an opinion. A celebrity with a perfect crooked nose is the famous actor Owen Wilson. Eventually, you have to be aware that the whole thing is not more than a theory. You should not judge people based on this absolute rule. Everyone has their own personality regardless of shape of their nose. And whatever type of nose you have, be happy with it. You're special and one of a kind.